أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 5 ayahs of Surah Rahman. Okay, fine. There are 3 new ayahs here inshallah. Let's recite first. I'm going to recite. Then let's look into Tajweed rulings. Okay.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان.
Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Okay, ayah number 56. Okay. Fihinna. Fi to count due to the siyam ad-diya. Hinna noon mushaddad 2 haraka gunna. Okay. Fihinna. Don't stretch the noon because it just has fatha, right? We have to just do 2 haraka gunna, but the stretching of noon is only 1 count. Fihinna qasiratu. 3 letters are pronounced heavy here. Qaf, it should sound heavy. Don't say qa, it is qa. Okay, huruf al-musta'aliya, it must be heavy. Stretch it for 2 haraka due to this alif saghira, the standing fatha. Qa. Si, Saad with kasra. Sometimes it is a bit difficult for few students to pronounce huruf al-musta'aliya heavy with kasra. You have to practice it with fatha and then with kasra. Okay, it will be easier for you. For example, if you want to know how to pronounce Saad heavily with kasra, first you say sa, and just imagine the position of the tongue when you say sa, because it is very easy to pronounce huruf al-musta'aliya with fatha. Okay, say sa, si. Okay, same, the tongue position should be exactly same as you pronounce the letter sa, then later si. It will be easy for you to practice in this way. Okay, try in this way if you're feeling difficult to pronounce Saad with kasra heavy. Sa, si. Okay, qasi, ra with standing fatha is heavy and pronounce it for 2 haraka. Qasiratu. Okay, now this letter ta, connect this ta to ta. We will not recite hamzatul wasl and lam shamsiya. This ta must be heavy and no hums in it. This is a letter of hums where the inclusion of your breath takes place, like qasiratu. But here it is a jahar letter. You should not pronounce it like ta. It is ta. Among all those huruf al-musta'aliya, 7 huruf al-musta'aliya, the very heaviest is letter ta. Because we do isti'ala and itbaq there, so make it heavy. Ta. Okay, you have to differentiate this ta and ta. Qasiratu tarfi. Ra sakin is also heavy because it has fatha before it. Tarfi. Tor, not tor. Ra, it is light. Tor. طر. Okay. قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن. Lam, no gunna. Why? Because next letter is ya. We'll just do idhar al-shafawi. Okay. Lam yatu ta with sakin. We have to do qalqala there and also pronounce it heavily. Even though many sisters do qalqala properly, but they recite it lightly, so it will sound like ta. Okay, this is not ta, it is a ta. Yatu, yatu. Okay. Lam yatu mithunna. Miss, not seen. It is the tha, the tip of the tongue should touch the edges of your upper front teeth. It should not sound miss. It is miss, miss. Okay. Mithunna. Noon mushaddad to haraka gunna. Insun. Noon sakin followed by sin ikhfa, where you have to do two haraka gunna, but not so clear, you have to hide it. Okay. Insun. Again ikhfa here, tanween followed by qaf, do two haraka gunna but not clearly, hiding it. Insun qablahum. Insun qablahum. Qa, it should be heavy, don't say qab, it is qab, qab. Okay. Qablahum, ba with qalqala, qablahum. Again no gunna on mim sakin, idhar al-shafawi. Wala, lam for two haraka and it is compulsory. La means no. If you say just la with fatha, then you will be doing lehn al-jali. Wala jan. 6 haraka. Mad al-lazim kalimi musaqqal. The mad which is due to this permanent sukoon, that is tajdeed, you have to make it, pronounce it for 6 count inshallah. And this noon has tajdeed, right? When you add sakin to it, the temporary sukoon, you will pronounce it for 2 haraka, like jan. I'll just make that mud short because due to the network issue, few students will not be able to listen to the stretching. So I'll just stretch it for 2 haraka and I'll show you how to do gunna there. Okay. Wala jan. Jan. See how much haraka that gunna should be. It should be for complete 2 haraka. Fine. You cannot remove the gunna there because removing tajdeed and adding tajdeed is lehn al-jali. Alhamdulillah. Let's recite this ayah now. It's a long ayah. Okay. فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay. فبأي, one haraka, ya mushaddad, emphasize it. آلاء, Hamza 2 count, alif madya just for 4 haraka because it is mad al wajib muttasil. Rabbikuma, ra heavy. Rabbikuma tukadhiban, dhal with no buzzing sound. It's not tukazziban, it is tukadhiban. And you can stretch this alif saghira for 2, 4, 6 haraka by applying the ruling of madul arid li sukoon. But now we will just stretch it for 4 haraka. Okay. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان. كأنهن. There are 2 noon here with tajdeed, so you will have to do 2 haraka gunna there. Stretching is 1 haraka only, but the gunna is for 2 count. كأنهن كأنهن. Okay, connect it to lam. كأنهن الياقوت. Alif maddiya, waw maddiya, 2 count. ياقوت والمرجان. مر. See how heavy the ra is? It's not marjan. Mar is light. Mar. Okay. Marjan. Fine. And this alif maddiya for 4 haraka due to madul arid lisukun, inshallah. كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي, one haraka, and ya mushaddad will be emphasized. Okay. Alai, hamza 2 count, and this for 4 haraka. Rabbikuma, ra heavier. Tukazziban, zal with no buzzing sound. Don't say tukazzi. Okay, it will be lahan al jali. Tukazziban. This alif saghira can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6, and will stretch only for 4 haraka, inshallah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان. هل, lam sakin, hal, don't do qalqala, don't say hal is wrong. Hal jaza'u, 4 count for this alif maddiya. Because of this hamza, mad al wajib muttasil. Okay. Jaza'ul ihsani. Ha very sharp. You should not say ihsani. The letter ha here in the word hal is different, and the letter ha here is different. Okay. Very sharp sound in this letter ha, and it is compulsory, or else it will convert to this ha, and you will end up doing lahan al jali. Al ihsani illal. Connect this lam directly to this lam. Alif ma, then hamzatul wasl is cancelled. Illal ihsan. Again ha, very sharp from the middle part of your throat. How to do it? By pushing your epiglottis backward. Okay, the epiglottis, a tissue flap which is near your middle throat. It should just go backwards. Okay, and it will constrict the way of passage of air, the breath which you are inhaling or exhaling. It will just constrict that path, and the ha will come, the sound of the air will come very sharply. Okay, ha, in this way. If you leave it open, it will sound ha. But if you push the epiglottis backward and create a barrier, obstacle there for air to come out, then it will make a sound, a sharp sound, and try to come out very difficultly, sounding like ha. Okay, ha. Ihsan. Fine. Alhamdulillah. And this alif mad can be stretched for 2 haraka, 4 or 6 count, inshallah. We are just keeping 4 haraka. هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان. Alhamdulillah. So we have completed learning, and these rulings which are in these ayahs are a bit difficult for few students, because there are many huruf al-musta'aliya and also lazim, mad al-lazim here stretching for 6 haraka, and few letters which are a bit difficult, right? So you have to practice well and recite tomorrow. Okay, fine, inshallah. Let's begin to recite now. Okay, you want me to increase the volume? I am trying. Fine. Due to short breath, I'm not able to make my voice loud, inshallah. Let me see. Okay, let's recite now. First I'm going to recite. Your mics will be muted. Just listen and recite behind me. Okay, fine. أعوذ بالله
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان Okay, so now inshallah let's recite together. Unmute your mics. Okay, fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
فيهن قاصرات الطرف
فيهن قاصرات الطرف
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم
فيهن قاصرات الطرف
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
لم يطمثهن قبلهم ولا جان
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس
قبلهم ولا جان
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
هل جزاء إلا الإحسان
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن
فيهن قاصرات الطرف
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
Okay, mashallah, barakallah fikum, alhamdulillah. So we have completed reciting. So few points here which you have to remember, especially huruf al-musta'aliya. Here are many, right? Qasiratu, and here tarfi, yato, and many students were pronouncing this as yato miss is wrong, yato miss sa. Okay, And here if you want to stop, your breath can just break any point at any point here, right? Because this ayah is long, and also you can see there is a symbol of la here where you should not stop. So if you stop here, then again same 2 haraka gunna will be done, just like how you do here. Even here if you stop here, it will be lam yatumithun, 2 count gunna, because there is tajdeed. So lam yatumithun, and again you should just go back from here. You can recite again till here. Okay, wherever you stop, apply those ruling of waqf, inshallah. Here this ayah is easy. Here 4 haraka, and this the ha must be very sharp. Ihsan, fine. Epiglottis must be pushed, or else there will be no constriction in your air passage. If there is constriction, the air will come out forcefully and it will create a sharp sound like ha ha ha. Okay, alhamdulillah. If you have any doubts regarding the tajweed ruling of these ayahs, you may ask, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, sister. Any doubt?
At the end of the 56th ayah, yeah, this ayah, the same way we have got before also, in one ayah it was
Yeah.
that noon how to pronounce. We are extending for 6 counts. That noon pronunciation I am not getting in the last how to stress.
Okay.
Only that thing to pronounce. No need for pronouncing the jim thing.
Okay, fine. See,
Jim,
just like here in this ayah, ayah number 58, how many haraka for this noon with tajdeed? 2 count, right?
Noon with tajdeed. Count, yes.
So when you add temporary sukoon to that, the fatha is converted, the dhammatan is converted to sakin, but the tajdeed property will remain same, right? That is gunna on noon.
Yes.
Whenever the noon has tajdeed, the gunna must be for 2 haraka. That will remain same. So while doing waqf here, the tajdeed will be there, but the dhammatan will convert to sakin. So you will apply sakin, and tajdeed will be for 2 haraka only, 2 haraka gunna. Like jan. Continuation of that gunna must be for 2 haraka. Jan. And even here if you stop here, you have to extend for 2 count. Okay, even here if you stop here due to the break in your breath, then fatha will convert to sakin. Okay, but that tajdeed will not convert to anything, it will remain same. So noon mushaddad is for 2 haraka gunna. Ya qomith hun. In this way you will stop. Okay.
Yes, sister, understood.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, dear sister. Yeah.
In ayah 56, the poison tashrin and poison sukun.
Yeah.
The sukun you have to bounce the polia, but if you force somebody tashdid, you have to bounce it there too.
No. The bouncing of letters takes place only when they are in sakin state. Okay. All those huruf of qalqala, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. These are the letters of qalqala, right? And while pronouncing it with fatha, dhamma, kasra, tajdeed, they are just
Jim dal.
Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. We will not do any qalqala with harakas. Only when they get sakin, then we do qalqala like aq, ab, aj, ad. Okay, in this way. So here there is sakin, so ya to. But here torfi, ta. No bouncing. Okay.
No bouncing there. Okay.
Alhamdulillah. Any other doubts? No? Okay, alhamdulillah. Let's end the meeting now, inshallah. Practice well, because I can see many difficult words here. So you have to, inshallah, practice well and recite tomorrow. Let's end the meeting now. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakum Allahu khairan.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन कसीरा सिस्टर।
जी वंतुम फजज़ाकुमुल्लाहु खैरा।